Hey guys, I'm Dan Langston, and here's a quick look at the Kodiak 100 Series 3 that is currently available here at Flightline. Instead of running through the spec sheet, I'm going to talk about why this aircraft is set up the way that it is and who this configuration really makes sense for. The big change with the Series 3 is more about refinement. It's got quieter cabin, better insulation, and a noticeably more comfortable experience compared to earlier models. This particular aircraft was configured with versatility in mind. So for example, it's factory float ready with the pitch latch propeller and fuselage sealing already in place. So that's going to preserve flexibility for float operations without requiring, expensive retrofits later. It's also got the TKS ice protection, which adds capability for more weather and year-round use. Inside, this aircraft has the Summit interior package, which is set up to be flexible. So it's got modular leather seats that can be arranged for passengers or pulled out quickly for cargo. It's got dual zone air conditioning, USB and headset ports, and also some LED lighting. So it's comfortable enough for longer trips, but still built to work and keep the Kodiak's short field capabilities intact. Up front, you have the Garmin G1000 NXi paired with the autopilot. So all the situational awareness and safety features most buyers expect in a current generation turboprop. Another important part of this aircraft setup is the ownership predictability. So all new Series 3 aircraft will include Kodiak Care maintenance for airframe maintenance like the scheduled inspections, and then the ESP Gold that will cover the engine, including major inspections, parts, unexpected work. So your resale value is protected and you avoid surprise cost. Overall, this is a well-optioned Series 3. I hope this overview was helpful, and feel free to reach out with any questions.